I'm your fairy godmother, honey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a long time, but we hopped right into it. You guys seen my toes. They grew out. This was about a month and a half of new growth. So we are gonna do a feel today. I am just filing off all the polish that I used and along with some of the bulk, especially around the cuticle area of my toenail, just so that we can get this fill going. So what I'm going to do today, you guys, is teach you guys how to refill your polygel toes. Um, I am going to be doing tutorials here and there. I'm going to be doing reviews here and there and some sets. And these are just going to be sets that I'm doing on my nails permanently, like, a set that's not pop off. Just because I just launched my business. I have started crocheting and I make something called cozy ties. So you guys can look that up if you want to. I will link my cozy tie Instagram in my description box. You guys can follow me if you want to support me. I'm not only just making cozy ties. So cozy ties are hair ties, you guys. But before I even get into that, you want to make sure you do not file too much off because again, this is a fill. Normally, I will file everything off, you guys. But because for the sake of this video, I went ahead and did a fill so that for those of you who want to, do a quick little set without taking all the product off, this is for you. So you want to work on those parts that's like really discolored, like the white part that I'm trying to work on right here. I'm just trying to get that off. And as you can see, once it's off, you can see the color of my toenail. So that is basically the only part that you really want to file off because that's the part that's ultimately going to start lifting. So after doing that, you will go ahead and do all the steps as usual. You'll dehydrate, you'll file, you'll do everything that you need to do to get your shape and your prep good. You still have to prep even though you're doing a full fill in, you still have to prep your nails, you guys. So I am just doing the same thing on both feet because it's time, you guys. And this video is about a month old, so it's time for another one. So I will do another video. Um, I'm doing a Valentine's Day toe inspiration set, so I can't wait to do it because I really want to know what it's going to look like on my feet. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I have been MIA, but I am back, baby. I'm back. I will be posting once or twice a week because I do have orders to fulfill now that I launched my business. So, what my business consists of, I am a fiber artist. I crochet. I started crocheting maybe like 3 months ago, but I kid you not, it brings me so much calmness to my life. Like, nails are so chaotic for me now. I don't know if it's because I've been doing them for so long, but coming up with sets and stuff is just always so draining on me. Before I even get into that, now we're going in to file. Okay, you want to shape your toes up before applying your product so you don't have to do a whole bunch of filing after your product is applied. You're going to have to still file, but if you do this part and you put your product on really seamlessly, you will not have to file as much, I promise you. But before we get into that, I had to get the hair under control because y'all be trolling me in my comments, y'all. I know some of y'all don't have hair on y'all toe knuckles, but I do. I do. I'm a hairy girl. So yeah, and you want to make sure you're using ceramic bits for polygel. All polygel related things, you should be using ceramic because the metal ones or the other, standard ones, they don't work as good. They clog up really fast and you just cannot get the same seamless work as you would if you had a ceramic bit. So I did use my cuticle bit. I went ahead and cleaned up my cuticles. And here is how the toes are looking. As you can see, there's still some product there, but not too much because you don't want your toes, you don't want them to be too thick. You don't want the toenails too thick. I like mine on the thicker side just because I feel like it provides more security for me. That's just me. You guys do as you please. But I did dehydrate my toes with acetone. I went in with some primer and I did 2 coats of primer. I let them dry in between. And now I'm applying base coat. I did 2 coats of base coat. I cured those in between as well. So, after that, you're just gonna go in with your product and that's your fill. But like I was saying, I am a fiber artist, so I currently am doing spiral ties. They're cozy ties, but they're another form of spiral ties. They're low tension hair ties. I'm doing scrunchies, I'm doing beanies, and I'm also doing do-rags. I have not yet added the beanies or the do-rags to the mix yet, but that is coming. I am currently just working on my launch, which was my cozy ties. I'm still getting my website together, but I do have a Instagram for my cozy ties, period. So I will link it down below if you guys want to go ahead and support me in that way. Thank you guys so much for being on this journey with me. I am a Pisces, so I have to keep my hands busy, you guys. I'm an artist at heart. Like, I'm really an artist. And sometimes when things don't serve me anymore, I have to find art in another direction. And that's what I did. So, yeah. And that was a seamless application, y'all. But you're just going to do the same thing to the rest of the toes, and that is your process. Then you will just go ahead and file, shape as usual. You can check out my polygel toe videos to go ahead and figure out how to do all of that. This was a nice, cute, short video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn that bell on so you don't miss the next time I post a new video. This is the end of the video, basically. Once again, I just want to touch base on um my business and stuff like that. So I will still be posting on here, but I am navigating towards my fiber things as of late. So that's why I have not been posting on YouTube. But I'm still here. I promise. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, babes.